Happy Sunday, y'all. So I did a video earlier where I went and got some catfish from Albertsons, and this is supposed to be fresh, never frozen. But y'all, there are some of these things in here, like I wish y'all could see better. You know that Gidris catfish you get in a box that's frozen? And I think this may have happened to me once before. I hope I'm wrong about this, but some of these places are actually selling you the frozen fish that they thawed out for fresh at $8.99 a pound. So make sure you ask them if that fish is fresh and not previously frozen, not for $9. Come on now. I know inflation is, we got a lot going on in the world, but to charge your customers for fish, and you know what? The guy actually rang me up for chicken breast, and now I'm believing that's why he did it. Because I know when he showed me how big the fillets were, it looked at, because listen, fresh catfish is going to have like a look, pink tint. Let me see if I can find one. Can y'all see that little pink tint to it? Okay, but what I told y'all was previously frozen. Look how white it is. Yeah, I really, really believe that. And if that's the case, shame on them for doing it. All right, y'all. So just check it when you're making your purchases. I'm a foodie, so I look at all that. Talk to y'all later. Bye.